Update on cleaning the stove and surrounding area. After 3 days, it looks like this. Hey there, such sights are a daily affair for me, so I've decided to record a transformation of a few spots in my family home. Even though the results are satisfying, I know that in a few hours or days after my work, there won't be a trace left. So after watching this footage, you can guess how long you think this order will last. In the next segment, I'll give you an update to see who among you guessed correctly. Finally, I'd just like to mention that living here, I am saving up to buy a house. So if you'd like to support me, watch this video, subscribe, or if you are very generous, you can make a donation. The link is in the channel or video description. Enjoy watching.